Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best sponge holder is probably one of the most underrated kitchen accessories, but trust me, it can make a huge difference in your daily routine. Keeping your sponge organized, clean, and easily accessible is a small change that leads to a more enjoyable and efficient kitchen experience. Today, we're diving deep into the world of sponge holders, exploring different designs, materials, and features to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Scrub Daddy Sponge Holder, Kitchen Sink Caddy. This sink sponge holder is a smart choice for storing your scrubbers, sponges, and scouring pads. It helps you keep your kitchen organized and your cleaning supplies within reach. Before use, ensure the non-slip suction cups are clean for the best bond. This ensures the holder stays firmly in place on smooth surfaces, providing a secure spot for your sponge. This holder is designed to fit one Scrub Daddy or multiple traditional sponges. It's a versatile solution for any kitchen sink, keeping your cleaning tools tidy. The design promotes optimal airflow, allowing your sponges to drain and dry quickly. This helps prevent the growth of bacteria and keeps your sponges fresh. The low-profile design keeps the holder out of the way while still being easily accessible. It's a simple yet effective way to organize your sink area. What we like. This sponge holder offers a smart storage solution with its secure suction cups, keeping your sponges within reach. It's designed for easy drying, promoting hygiene. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to organize your sink area and keep your sponges fresh, you should consider this. What people say. The sponge holder is made of high-quality plastic and is very durable. The design of the sponge holder is very sleek and modern, and it looks great in my kitchen. The sponge holder has a good drainage system, which helps to keep the sponge dry and prevents the growth of bacteria. Number 4. OXO Good Grip Sponge Holder. This sponge holder features a phthalate-free suction cup that activates with a simple push of a lever. It provides a strong hold, keeping it securely in place. The holder is designed with drainage slots. These slots allow water to drain quickly, helping your sponge dry faster and stay cleaner. Need more space? The holder is easily removable from its suction base. This gives you extra room in your sink when you're washing larger items. Cleaning is a breeze. This holder is dishwasher safe, making it easy to keep it clean and ready for use. For over 25 years, OXO has been creating tools that exceed expectations. If you're not happy with it, they want to know. They'll replace or refund it, because they are here to make it better. For the best results, use it in stainless steel sinks. It's not recommended for textured or porous surfaces, including some stone, acrylic, or metal. What we like. This holder features a strong suction cup that activates with a simple push, ensuring a secure hold. The drainage slots allow for quick drying, preventing the buildup of bacteria. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-clean solution for your sink, this is the one for you. What people say. The sponge holder is made of durable plastic and has a sleek design. It has a good drainage system that prevents the sponge from getting moldy. The size is perfect for holding a standard-sized sponge and a scrub brush. Number 3. iDesign Sinkworks Kitchen Sink Suction Holder. This suction holder is designed to keep your sink area tidy. It's perfect for storing sponges, scrubbers, and soap, so everything is within reach. This holder isn't just for the kitchen. You can use it in the bathroom, office, or any space with a sink. It provides extra storage wherever you need it. The open grid design allows water to drain, which helps your sponges and scrubbers dry quickly. This design helps to prevent the buildup of bacteria. Made from clear, durable plastic, this holder is built to provide years of use. You can rely on it to keep your items organized. With dual suction cups, it easily sticks to smooth surfaces. It's the ideal size for your sink, measuring 2 by 5.4 by 4.4 inches. What we like. This sink organizer features an open grid design for optimal drainage, keeping your sponges dry and clean. It's made of durable, clear plastic, ensuring long-lasting use. If you like a simple and functional design that blends seamlessly into your kitchen, you should consider this. What people say. The sponge holder is made of durable plastic and has a sleek design. It has a good drainage system that prevents the sponge from getting moldy. The suction cups are strong and hold the holder securely to the sink. Number 2. Zulay Kitchen Silicone Sponge Holder, Gray. Tired of a messy sink area? This silicone sponge holder is designed to keep your sink and countertop free from soapy residue. It's the perfect solution for organizing your cleaning essentials. This tray isn't just for sponges. You can use it in your kitchen, bathroom, or even your vanity. It's great for holding soap, brushes, and other small items. Made with durable, non-scratch silicone, this holder is built to withstand daily use. It's also heat-resistant, so you can place hot items on it without worry. The raised ridges and edges prevent water overflow, helping your sponges dry faster. This design helps to keep things clean and prevents musty odors. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply hand wash it or toss it in the dishwasher. It's designed to keep your sink organized and clutter-free with minimal effort. We stand behind this product with a lifetime guarantee. If you have any issues, we'll make it right. Keep your sink area organized with this handy tray. What we like? This silicone sponge holder keeps your sink area free from soapy residue. It's made of durable and heat-resistant silicone, making it ideal for various uses. If you have a busy kitchen and need a versatile and easy-to-clean organizer, you should consider this. What people say. This silicone sponge holder is fantastic. It's sturdy, flexible, and easy to clean. The non-slip design keeps my sponge in place and helps it dry quickly, preventing any mildew or odor. This item fits on the top of my sink really well and cleans up nicely. I've had this for over a year and it maintains its shape and character well. Beautiful color and quality feel. I purchased the 9 by 3.5 and it's large enough for 2 bars of bath soap, pictured, or a kitchen scrub brush. The silicone seems of great quality, so I'm confident in future durability. Number 1. TAILI Sponge Holder with Strong Suction Cup, Black. This sponge holder features a patented suction cup made of TPE material, based on the Bionics octopus sucker principle. It can hold up to 11 pounds and is water resistant, ensuring it lasts for years in wet environments. Installation is incredibly easy. Simply press the suction cup to the surface to squeeze out the air. It sticks firmly without screws, nails, glue, or tools. It can be repositioned and removed without leaving residue. Made of rust-proof aluminum, this holder measures 6.1 by 2.9 by 3.5 inches, creating compact storage. The all-around drainage design ensures maximum air ventilation, keeping your kitchen tools dry and clean. If you have installation issues, make sure the suction cup is clean and dry. Try installing it on a smooth, clean glass surface. If it works there, the original surface might not be suitable. If it still doesn't work, clean the suction cup or contact customer service. For best results, install this holder on smooth, non-porous surfaces like metal, glass, tile, stainless steel, and acrylic. Avoid uneven tiles, textured surfaces, unfinished marble, wallpaper, and painted walls. What we like? This sponge holder boasts a strong suction cup for easy installation and removal. It's made of rust-proof aluminum and features a fast-draining design. If you are looking for a durable and long-lasting solution that keeps your sink area tidy, you should consider this. What people say. It's a great little sponge holder. It fits perfectly in my sink and keeps the sponge out of the way. The design is simple and effective. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.